What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Matt, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to set up a phenomenal, amazing, fantastic website for your cleaning business. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more cleaning business, home service business tips that's going to help you grow your business. All right, so for the first step you're going to be taking to establish that phenomenal website that you're looking for your cleaning business, you're going to look first for a web builder. Now, a web builder is just a website where you can go on and build a website. It's very simple. They give you all the tools so that you can customize your website whichever way you would like. And the very big web builders that a lot of people know about are Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Weebly, and even MailChimp allows you to create a website for your business. And if you want to get more technical, you can use a platform like we use in our business, which is Webflow. But if you don't have a coding background, all those that I just mentioned are great options for you to choose. Once you sign up to one of these web builders, you're going to want to choose a template. Now, I know that most of them offer templates, and that's going to be the best and easiest way for you to go down. A lot of them will actually divide up the templates that they have available for people to either download for free, or you have to pay like a fee for it, like you have to purchase the template. But most of the time they'll have a category, so you can just go in there and choose whatever service that you offer. We're doing cleaning business, click the cleaning business category, or the home service category, and then click cleaning business. If there's no templates for cleaning business, try to choose something that's as close as possible to a cleaning business. So anything like in the home service industry would be a good option for you to choose from. And the template's really important because it gives you a base for where to start from. You don't want to design something from scratch, because then it's just gonna it's gonna take a lot of time, and you're gonna have to do a lot more designing and a lot more thinking than you actually have to do. It's just easier for you to choose a template and then just edit the template for it to match how your business operates, maybe the colors and the text that's on there, your About Me section, the services that you offer. Use the template and then just update the information that's on there. The next thing you're going to want to do is set up online booking for your business. Now, online booking is really important for a cleaning business or any other type of home service business, because most people today, the vast majority of people today, want to book services online. The paper and pen method is old school. It's not, efficient. It's not fast. It's not quick. It actually takes up too much time. Having to call businesses and then go through the booking process. It's easier to just do everything online, and that's what most consumers are looking for. So it's really important for you to set up online booking for your business. Now, there are a few options that you can choose from when it comes to online booking, and most of them suck. Most of them don't have the customizability that you need in order for you to create a great online booking experience for someone that wants to purchase your service online. And glorified contact forms like all of these web builders offer isn't going to cut it, and it's not going to be the best experience. Now, what I use for my business is Yobo. It's the best way to have online booking on your website. All I need to do is just take a button on my website, and just when someone clicks on it, it redirects them to my Yobo online booking page where they can go through the process, book my service, and then it takes them back to my website, and then that's it. And I can collect payments, and I can do everything from my online booking on the Yobo platform. So it's really, really easy and straightforward, and people love it because it's so easy for them to use. Now you have the website built, you got the template, you designed it, you edited it the way it should be, you got your online booking hooked up, right? So now the website's ready to go. But there's some things that you need to pay attention to as you're going through this process of building. And I want to list some of those things out for you guys. One of the most important things when you want to think about when building a website is that you want your website to work very, very well on a mobile phone, because most people will access your website through their phone. Most people aren't using their desktop computers, their laptops, and while most people are using their phones to access websites. And if the website doesn't look good on a phone, I'm telling you, people will just click out, they will leave and go to the next website. That's how impatient we are as people when it comes to bad websites. So make sure that when you're designing your website, when you're editing things, you're making those changes to the template, that it looks good on a phone. It's more important than it looking good on a bigger screen. You want it to look good and work very, very well on a small screen. It's very, very important for it to work on a mobile phone. The second thing is that you want to create a simple design. If you pay attention to the branding world or the design world today, because everything's being shrunk down into smaller screens, design has had to become more simple. And so when you're designing your website, you don't want too much going on. You don't want to distract people from the message that you're trying to portray right through your website. You don't want to distract them with too many pictures, too many GIFs, too many words, simplify things. When you simplify things, it makes it easier for people to get to the point, understand what you're all about, understand your services, understand what the value is from hiring you. And then you cut the distance between them visiting your website and then making a purchase of your services, right? And you want them to do those online bookings, right? You want them to pay for your service. Make it as simple as possible so that they understand who you are and they can easily, very quickly book your service. And another very important thing that you want to have on your website, other than the simplicity and the responsiveness, is you want to have a call to action. You can have all these great things on your website and have a great about me and a great header and great pictures, and it just looks all really great, but then you don't have a button that makes people take an action that you want. And that's a call to action. That's a button that makes someone take a certain action that you want them to do. In our case, as a cleaning business, you want them to have a button. You want to have a button on your website that says book now. They're going through your information and you want that button to be as clear as day. You want it to pop out. You want it to be nice and big, nice and, you want to call their attention so that when they see it, it's kind of like that, that you're kind of making the decision for them. You're kind of incentivizing them to click, like, let's book now. That's a call to action. You're trying to tell the person that's on your website, the visitor, take this action now. Book right now. You want to make sure that that's on your website. It's very, very important. And if you can, depending on the template that you ask, a lot of templates will actually have several call to actions. So there will be maybe a book now button at the top, and then maybe there'll be a book now button in the middle of the website, and then one at the bottom, because you want to keep incentivizing and keep calling to action on that visitor. You want them to keep thinking about, like, oh, maybe I will want to book now. That's a call to action, and you want to make sure that that is on your website, because that's going to increase your conversions and make you more money. And that's it, guys. It doesn't take a lot to create a really great website. And if you want to try out Yobo for your own website, go ahead and click the link in the description. You can go right there and there's a trial that you can start. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below if you want to have something to say. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.